Mag-unbox na naman kami ng panibagong Pop Mart. Cool na Pop Mart kasi kasama ko yung aking sister. So, ang i-unbox namin is yung Skull Panda. Yung new release nila ng Skull Panda. And this one. Ino-open niya na, tinatanggal niya na yung plastic. And then, mag-i-start na rin kami, guys. So, here we go, guys. We're gonna unbox this Skull Panda. This new Skull Panda here on TikTok. So, this is Petals in for Art. Hindi ko na siya matandaan kung ano yung inspired niya, yung ano na to. Inspired by, alam ko sa ano, sa artist din ko inspired. So, yeah, that's why I bought this one kasi, you know, I love art. Because it's so nice, so pretty, and it's so luxurious style. So that's why, see, we bought a whole box of Skull Panda.
Yay!
Yes, and I'm with my sister, and yeah, she helped me to unbox all of these 12 sets of Pop Mart, and we rip up a little pieces of these boxes. There you have it. And this is how it looks like, guys. So pretty. Did you see that?
And guys, this will be the faces that we will get.
Yeah. Here, just a two uses of them kasi halos all of them is so pretty.
Ang cute.
Yeah, walang tapon.
So first, we will look muna here kung ano yung bet namin.
Yeah.
And if we get it,
Random
boxes.
So,
So first,
let's start to this. The bow.
so
Diba?
for you, the wow.
Wow.
Me, the burning room. Here, these two guys.
I hope I got the one that I want to choose. I wanted.
Ito.
Here, this one. In the middle. Ay, not in the middle. In the... What? In the back
Corner.
corner.
One,
Let's
two,
open na.
three.
Guys, when you start to unbox some Pop Mart, hindi na kayo makakawala pa. Kasi kasi nakaka-addict. It's violent. It's not.
Oh.
What's yours?
Oh.
Ano din?
This one, the burning room.
The
Pero
balance
ang nakuha ko
bubble.
is the decay awaited.
Not bad. They're also cute. Box is so quality. That's why when you bought one piece of them, it's so great. Makakihil yung inner child nyo, guys. Wow! Wow! No! Wow, the detailed.
Guys, you
Grabe.
can see how aesthetic the art here.
Ooh. And the yung painting sa pinaka-toe nila.
Yes, there's a painting. Mine is 3. Hers
Oh my
is
God.
purple.
I love.
This one is like have a dark aura.
Dark aura.
Yes.
How about this one?
Light aura.
I like it. Okay, I love the first choice.
I love it.
You first.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh,
Oh,
so guys, all of these flashcards, my sister will tabi-tabi that flashcards.
this one is the reject witness. Oh my god.
Ba't dalawa?
Ooh, why? Why
Dalawang flashcards.
Oh, that's a lucky one.
Ang cute niya, guys.
Okay, because my other boxes of Pop Mart is missing one card.
Oh!
Yeah, it's missing one card.
Ooh! Uy!
I'm
That's so cute.
sorry. I dropped it.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Wow.
I love it.
That's so cute, guys.
What's yours?
Here's mine. With a touch of orangey.
Me what?
So cute.
What color is this? No, but it's so pretty. Another boxes.
So we already have opened 4 boxes.
Yeah.
So now, this is pang 6 na.
Damage, but that's okay. Oh, this one.
Oh my god!
The bow.
Hindi ko na naman nakuha yung akin. The Withered Innocence.
Oh. It's okay. In-unbox all of this one. Yellow color.
Yes. Guys, they are so cute.
Oh my god.
So, isipin nyo ba guys, if, yung mga gantong style is malaki. Sobrang cute nun guys. Like what we
Yeah.
saw in
Moa.
MOA. Guys, there's so many malalaking,
Stop.
yes, Skull Panda, Hirono.
Yeah, the skull pa I want.
Yes,
But
guys.
it's 19,000?
Nasa,
18, 12?
mm-mm.
Oh my god, that's elegant look.
Yes.
You see that?
They are so cute.
Yeah, but it's not focusing.
Yan. Yan. Yeah.
Oh my god, I love! Almost 2 months akong hindi nag-open ng box kasi yung nails ko. Lagi na lang yung napapakita kong nails. So, ayan, bago na yung aking nail. Have you seen this one in my back? This our collection of Pokemon figurine and it has a different character. So,
Series.
yeah. One of them is Skull Panda because I love Skull Panda and now I have a new release of Skull Panda. So, yeah. Let's start this one.
Sana secret.
Sana, I hope. Oh, this is a heavy one.
But have you experienced opening a secret box?
Yeah. I have.
Nakakuha ng secret.
Yeah, I have. This one. This one. It has a ring.
Kapag
Okay,
baby, nakakuha siya ng secret.
I know it's not a secret, but you know, when I open it and search it here, wala siya. So, yeah. I'm so excited to open that one because it's not a ring inside. And I love it. And the card is different. All of them.
Oh. Nalagay mo na sa book mo yung mga card.
Yeah. All of them. Ooh, that's pretty. But this one, they are the same color.
Yeah, but there's a touch of
Uh,
white.
Much lighter.
Yes.
Wow, I love. Wait. Okay, let's continue. So yeah, we got what? A lighter one and the darker one.
Yeah.
Pink color. So let's unbox. Ooh, so nice. Ooh, I love. What do you call this one?
Like it's dropping,
Melting.
it's melting.
It's melting.
Guys, look how elegant
Wow, yeah.
this one is. Oh my
That's
god.
kind of-
So cute.
Yeah. It has a wing. How about yours?
No.
What's yours?
None.
None. And it has a tattoo. Oh, there's it's not a blood.
Gloves,
Gloves.
but in red.
So nice. I love. Yes, all of them are so cute.
Talaga silang mga movies.
Yeah.
So, I
Para
think
ma-express.
they have, power, something like that.
Para mas ma-es yung character nila as a couple.
That's right.
And
That's right.
they have parang little trailer like that.
Oh, animation.
They are, I think, not. Animation, how?
They are moving, something
Yeah,
like that.
they are moving. And then, it's a short film lang.
I will watch that one, guys. They are so cute kasi. But, the other Pop Mart that my sister have
If-
opened is also cute din. A lot of them naman.
But if they made that like a movie, I think I will bought a lot of them.
And it's gonna be viral, guys. Kasi they are so cute. And the
Yeah.
styles kasi.
Oh,
Hindi pa din natin nakukuha yung
Yung
pinili
saya.
natin. Yung sa akin, hindi pa rin.
I've got the burning.
Fatal and Whining.
I think the last box. More on violet yung nakukuha ko.
Yes!
How
Most
about
of
you,
yours, violet, light red.
I'm a dark.
What? Dark aura?
Because I've got a lot of dark color.
You. There's a lighter, there's a darker, there's...
No, do you have a lighter?
Here, I get
Do you-
this
do you
one.
have darker. It's not a darker one.
This
It's a
one.
light. The first one. Okay.
So, you.
Okay. This one is a purple one. I love purple.
Nalala ko tuloy sa mama.
Her feet is transparent. Have you seen it? If you look it closely, it has a transparent and inside it has a tattoo. Like,
Yes, you can see that. Here.
so nice. Whoa! I dropped it again. So nice, right? When you see it closely, you appreciate their art.
How about
Detail.
yours? This one is like a fairy
This one.
style.
I love.
Yes, a lips over there, flowers.
That is flowers. I love it. Different flowers. You choose the last piece.
Here,
Oh my god.
this one.
I hope.
The withered leaf. I know. I think you already get that.
Where?
The burning
This one.
bloom. Kuha na namin guys. The burning
Aw.
bloom. And also the bow, nakuha niya na rin. So, let's see
Sorry nang
what these two have left. Oh, the threefold requiem.
Where?
Nasa dulo siya. And
Okay.
the budding fable. Oh, this one, the invitation dice.
Okay.
This one.
I hope you get a secret. So magaan. I think it's not. Hindi like that. The secret. Aww. But that's okay. All of them is pretty.
Unfortunately, there's no secret.
It's so pretty. Did you see that? It's so pretty. I love it. I love it.
There's
Ooh, a yellow one.
pasasal pa siya, guys. Nakabalot pa siya.
Wow! Wow!
Wow.
Ah,
Cute. This is for you.
how many?
A tree.
Oh my god! I love.
Yes.
But this is the different one.
And you will put this two behind her back. Or like beside her. Let's open this.
I love this one. What they
So
call
cute.
What they call this one? How?
Here.
Here? Yes. In the middle. You can do it.
Like
Oh, depende. I've got this one, the yellow one. My, what they call this? My studio, the card, para ma-browse nila yung mga nag-iintay na client ko there. Ma-browse nila yung mga card na mga pop-mart na na-collect natin. So, there you go. Super dami.
Ganyan siya, guys.
Wow. Oh,
So cute.
cute.
So the difference of their size is like this, guys. As you can see.
It's a mini.
Yes.
Mini
But
small
they
pan.
are tree.
Yes, guys, and that's for today's video, and I hope you like this, and thank you for watching. See you to my next vlog. Bye.
Bye!